Poppy, and today I'm here to talk to you about SmartieBox by Baebox. So we've very kindly been sent this. I'm really excited to have a look what's inside. So to explain to you what Bay means, in case you don't know, so it means before anything else. So for example, make sure before anything else you get your homework or your chores done, or that the person that's being sent this box is the most important to you and comes before anything else. So let's take a look and explain to you what the box is. So this SmartieBox by Baebox is basically like presents you get sent for either 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or a year. So you can do it as a little one-off thing, or you can keep it going if you want. So the link to the website is down here. It's got all the details on there, and it's like a subscription basically, so you'll want your parents to sign up for you. So I'm just gonna get into it now and take a look and see what we have inside. So I'm gonna open the box now. So it's in quite a nice box. It's got a little bow on the front here, which is nice. There we go. So let's see. Ooh, this looks very fancy. We've got a little sticker on here as well. I take this off. I can see some things inside there already. So you've got this nice bit of, you've got some tissue paper on top here to sort of cover it up. So I'm gonna open it and see. Oh, so it's clearly a Disney themed box, which is really good because actually they send you different themes each month. So you could get a back to school theme where you'd get like hair clips, maybe a water bottle, Remembrance Day themed, Halloween, Christmas. And we have a Disney one, and this is really good because of all the really good Disney films that are coming out now. Okay, so I'm gonna look at what I've got. So we've got this, we've got this little clip here. There's a little Minnie Mouse in there as well. Does that look nice? You can put it in your hair. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, there we go. I think this might be our reward chart. So each box comes with one of these, and you can put whatever you want in here, and it's kind of like your targets to get your little treat at the end of the month. So that's a really good idea, and you can pin that up like in your room or on the fridge, and yeah, that's a really good idea. Ooh, we've got like a little kind of like, it's like a quiz sheet here. So you've got a little, I think you've got a word search there as well, and you've got some little puzzles there to do. And you've got some competitions you can enter, some prizes, and it's for Wonder Park. So if I show you the back as well. What do we have in here? It's quite big as well. I wonder what we've got. Oh, wow! Look at that! That is the genie's lamp from Aladdin. Wow. So we've got the genie's lamp from the film Aladdin. I wonder if you rub it, will he pop out? Look, we've got this little button here as well, which flicks. So it changes. And look at all the detail as well. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, look at that one. You've got some little green like flowers in there. I love that. Oh, we've got this one next. Let's take a look. Oh, we've got little Princess Jasmine on the front here. It's a little book. Oh, it's a story of Aladdin, but in a little book. Look how good that is. And look at the little front cover as well, all the birds. This is like the original like Disney cartoon one. And I remember this from when I was little, because I used to love watching all the Disney films. Oh, look how cute that is. You can even, a little story before you go to bed. That's really good. Ooh, this is an Aladdin pen. Look at the colour. That's actually such a nice colour as well. And if I turn it round, we've got Princess Jasmine on the back as well. And we've got all glitter in here, look. Well, I'll be bringing this to school with me. This is such a good pen. So let's open the last one to see what we've got. Look at the Aladdin stickers. Look what we've got. So we've got all of the main characters on there, and we've got little ones there as well. So they're puppy stickers. They've got glitter on them as well. Look at the elephant. I love that one. Oh, they're so good. And I like the little, like, these ones as well. They're really cool. Look at the genie at the top there as well. Sparkly blue. Love it. Oh, we've got a little message here from Baebox. So, it says, enjoy your gift whether it is just one or a monthly delivery. Someone clearly cares about you very much. Thank you. We do what we love. We hope you do too. Oh, what a nice little message. And that is so generous. Look at all the gifts we've got. So you get about 5 surprises in each one, which is so good. And you get your reward sheet as well, which is really cool because you can hang it up in your room on the fridge. And then as well here, we've got our little chance to win sheet and poster. So for $12.99 a month, it's so good. I mean, think about it, like, all of this stuff in here is definitely worth much more than $12.99. And yeah, it's really good. You could get it. We've got the Disney themed one today. Not all of them are themed, but this one is, which is, I love Disney, so this is a really good one for me. But and you could get it for a friend just once for $12.99, or you could get it for yourself and ask your parents to subscribe, and they can do it however long they want to. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun unpacking to see what we got. Look at all the lovely things that were inside the box. So thank you very much to SmartieBox by Baebox for sending this to us, because I absolutely loved opening it. And yeah, I really recommend it to you. It'd be a really good gift to give or to receive either. So make sure if you like this video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Girl Talk channel. See you next time. Bye!